Hello. So, I'm gonna show you how much it's snowing here. I guess you can see in front of all the trees we have how hard it's snowing. Mummy and I had gone shoveling like half an hour ago, and it's already snowed at least 3 or 4 inches. So you can only imagine. That stop sign is half covered. Half the pole is inside the snow. We can't even see the houses all the way over there because all the snow is covering it up. Oh. See, look, this is a message I had written for you guys. See? Hi! But now it's all covered with the snow, so you can barely see it anymore. Those are all the trees. It's actually really, really pretty. I don't think it's snowed this much in so long. Oh. Before there were so many kids playing outside. They all went inside because they all got really cold. I can't zoom in any further, but... Alright. The roofs are all covered. They're blending in with the sky there. Like, you can even see how much. See that tree? It's half covered too. That's at least 2 feet over there. 1.5 feet. Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna go now. Hope you enjoyed that.